this is my route from Perth to Dubai. So this is the Perth airport. Now I am ready for boarding, and they check my ticket, walk down the path towards the airplane. By the way, the plane is Boeing 777-800, I think. So it's a long walk towards the plane. I'm still from Perth, so here we go. The Emirates crew is checking my ticket again and guide me where is my seat located. Then from here I am looking for my seat. There, my seat is at the last. Here we go. This is where my seat located. I check my bag and observe the situation. As per the crew, flight attendant crew, the plane has no passenger. So there are limited passengers only, and we can go and take a nap in the middle of the seat, where you can sleep your body fully extended or fully flat. But before I go to sleep, I have to watch the outside during the takeoff. So yeah, I'm just preparing for takeoff and see how smooth this Boeing 777 takeoff on the runway. So yeah, the captain is preparing,
There are 10 emergency exits on this Boeing 777
and all the safety
If you need to evacuate, leave all your bags behind and follow the lights on the floor.
instructed to
Take off
us.
high-heel shoes before using safety signs.
There we go.
Thank you for your attention. If you need a reminder of any of the safety steps, check the safety card in your seat pocket or ask us at any time.
We're now going to make the final preparations for departure.
Now it's time to fly. The plane reverses and now it's forwarding. So the plane has one pillow blanket and a headset. And yeah, the food and the meals is good. There is a beer. I can sleep in the middle. Yeah. And yes, we are now in Dubai, almost landing. There we go. This is the Dubai view. It's not clear due to the glass of the plane is not so clean. There's some crack, like crack, but yeah, I still managed to get some videos. So before it landed, this is where you can see how Dubai. This is the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. Now this is the almost Terminal 3. That's the train. Yep, coming down. Here is the runway of the Dubai Terminal 3 airport. down, down, down. There we go. Plane landed. And yes, we are looking for our gate. Yep. Yep. The plane is landed. The plane landed safely. And on my experience, it's really a smooth land. Though my camera is shaking, but I can feel it's a smooth land. It's nice. So this is the Terminal 3 of Dubai Airport. There are heaps of plane. The Emirates plane A380 that are preparing for their flight also destinations. There we go, the tower, the airport traffic control tower, and we are on our gate. Thank you for the safe land. Then we are out of our plane, heading to the arrival and to our baggage area. Again, short walk, not a short but a long walk here to the baggage area. There we go. This is what Dubai airport like. I did not go in the elevator. I used the escalator to go down so I can experience and see what is Dubai airport looks like inside. Here we go. Yep, I'm ready to take my luggage. Here I am. I'm on my car rental, an Innova 2024, where I passed through the airport to Sharjah. I am riding using the road which is Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. It's a traffic, heavy traffic. There we go.